Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for coming out. I'm here with my 2002 Subaru WRX Impreza Bug-Eye, 20-year-old car. And one thing that is an issue with a 20-year-old car, sometimes you get this, basically the part doesn't stop. I've seen some hacks on the internet that they start to modify things, grind down things, and to save money. But I decided I might do that with the other ones, but I'm gonna go ahead and just replace the driver's one, since I'm mostly driving the car by myself. So all four doors kind of do this looseness thing. As you can see, it basically doesn't have any stopper, so if the wind blows or if I want to incline, which I have here, it just will close. So I'm gonna fix it by replacing this. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I think it's just some bolt-on tools, and then we'll get this going. Be right back. I got my cool Motorvex 10mm or Motorvex tools. So socket set and a flathead screwdriver, or actually a Phillips screwdriver combo set. So first thing I do see is I see a screw here. I'm gonna go ahead and roll down the window too, because I'm gonna pop out this panel. If it's not that hard, I'm going to start attacking this mirror. But, let's roll down that window. Anyway, I won't bang it too much trying to remove this. So, right there's a Phillips screwdriver. Or a Phillips screw, I should say, not a screwdriver. That's one big screw. And then down here, you can see there's a plastic cover. I just use my finger, and then there's a Phillips screw there. Shorter screw. I'm sure the panel probably is gonna have to be disconnected, but let's see. Any other screws that I can see? Let's come. Yeah, pop that out. Let's take this off. Okay, that's a weird spot to put it there. Okay, that's weird. It looks like it's being held by this screw here too. Okay. Oh, that popped out. Now I know. Okay. Okay. It's actually easier than I thought. So I'm guessing it comes through the back. Okay. 10 mil? What do you think? It's always 10 mil, huh? Let's go here. You guys see that? is longer than 10. No? 10? But it is 10. I'll use an extension for that guy. So, I forgot what they call these door stays, I think is the name of this thing. But I'll put the link in the description how to get to it. That's dirty. I should clean it. There's that. This feeds through. That's simple at least. Alrighty. Stick it back in. Let me get these little dudes on so they won't pop out. Okay. Oh, I feel uncomfortable. Okay. Move the door just right. I'm just gonna do snug, and then get these guys tighter. You guys can see this way better. It's actually easier than I thought. That's it. And then just put this plastic pretty back. This is a seal. Water is always going to leak, but you just put in the seal so it doesn't go through the panel. Oh yeah, you can tell it's not even moving now. So I'll put the panel back after this. I just want to demonstrate. Oh, this is a big difference. You can... Oh yeah, it's stuck now. Look at that. Oh yeah. So it'll stop. See? Goes there. It stops. Stops. Yep. Alright, that's how you do it. Put the panel back, put the cover back, super quick. I'll put the link in the description how to get the part if you're interested in doing that. Anyways, yeah, it's totally loose. You can see that looseness. Anyways, again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and post your comments below. Peace out.